The subbase attaches to your router's base. It provides a smooth surface to guide the router on. The center hole has a shoulder to accept guide bushings. The 6 outer holes are windows so you can see the workpiece that you are routing. The most common issue with the subbase is accidental damage caused by dropping the router. It can also be cracked if the mounting screws are over tightened. Replacing the subbase is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old subbase from the router. The subbase is secured with 3 screws. Now I can install the new subbase. I align it with the screw holes, and then I'll reinstall it with the screws. Initially, I'll leave the screws just finger tight, so I can align the base. Now as I tighten the screws, I want to be careful that I don't over tighten them, or I will crack the base. And that's how easy it is to replace the subbase on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.